So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of Feb. For like to become a reader like me or want to have personal readings or healing sessions, you can check out the description box and book your slots. Links are given below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below. It's life changing, changed my life upside down in a very positive way. So yeah, Ho'oponopono is the best. Now let's start, Gemini. What are your energies for this particular week from the Oshos and Tarot deck? Let's see, honey, what we have for you guys. Okay, let's see. 10th of Feb, we have the silence. So, Gemini, the more you are going to stay in tune with your own silence, with your own inner self, the more you will be able to get answers to the very pressing questions of your life, to something that you are kind of suffering from quite a long time and not able to seek the answers. So, the universe is going to answer your questions, the universe is going to help you in finding the solutions. For that, you have to stay in tune with yourself, you have to stay in, like, stick in silence, sit in silence and talk to yourself, talk to the higher self. 11th, we have the traveling. Now the 11th of Feb, you might have this energy of starting some kind of journey. For some of you, it's a spiritual journey. Even though you're not able to like see the clear cut path in front of you, you should start it, because at the end of the day you will be able to see the results, the growth, you can say. For others of you, it might be a literal journey that you are trying to do or trying to like start from quite a long time now. Just start it, you will be able to see the path in front of you very soon. 12th of Feb, we have the healing. Now on the 12th of Feb, the moment you are going to be vulnerable in front of the right person, the moment you are going to be in this energy of I have to heal myself, universe is going to give you a lot of opportunities and people and situations around you to start your healing in a very positive way. All you have to do is to set this intention: now I want to heal, now I'm ready to heal myself and be vulnerable in front of right person, right energies. Universe, help me. Yeah, so universe will start helping you in your healing journey, on your healing path. Very good. 10th, 11th, 12th. 13th of Feb, we have this, the creator. Now on the 13th, your solar plexus chakra is going to be balanced and quite active. So something that you were afraid of starting or doing in your life, you will be able to do that thing, or you will be able to restart something that you used to do at some point of time, because you are going to get the strength and the courage to do that. This is something that requires a lot of strength and courage, and the universe, the creator himself, is going to give you this signal, green signal, and the energy to do this, to start doing something. Okay, honey, so we have 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. 14th, we have the playfulness. Okay, Gemini, the more you are going to in your playful energy, the more you are going to be in your own world, the more you are going to be happy, the more universe is going to give you energies and chances to be more happy, reasons to be more happy, reasons to celebrate your life to the fullest. Okay, so be in the playful energy. I'm talking about playfulness, I'm not talking about flirting around. There's a difference, come on, come on. So the more you are going to use your playfulness, the more you are going to use your creative energies and not taking people, things and situations that much personally, the more it's going to be beautiful for you, right? 15th, we have the mind. Now the mind is going to take over and ruin everything that you have created for yourself. Okay, so it's like, do not let the mind interfere in your life. Basically, listen to your heart. See, sometimes listening to our heart means getting hurt, but it doesn't mean that you should never try, right? So whatever you feel is right for you with all of your heart and soul, try to do that thing without hurting or harming anyone. And if your mind is telling you don't go there, you are going to get hurt, this and that and this and that, don't listen to your mind. Because when we like start working with your heart, with our heart chakra, our life becomes easier, because we are in tune with the nature, with the universe itself. Mind is nothing, mind is just garbage. So either there is mind or there is peace, you choose which one you want to choose, right? 16th, we have the thunderbolt. So it's like a tower moment. Something is going to fall apart. It's an awakening. On spiritual terms, it's a spiritual awakening on a bigger level, you can say. For some of you, you are, if you're working on this consciously on your spiritual journey, you are definitely going to go on the next level. If not, it's like some kind of shocking news or shocking energy is going to be there, that's going to make you feel everything is falling apart. But this is actually making room for something that's good for you, that's beautiful, and that's necessary for your growth. That's the deal here. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.